So ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome back to Air Stewardess World. कैसे हो आप सब? I hope you all are doing absolutely well. So the topic for today is how many cabin crew members in each flight. So let me answer this question. Let me tell you how many cabin crew members are present in each flight. So first of all, there are no rules or regulations regarding how many female cabin crew member in each flight or how many male cabin crew member on each flight. So there might be possibility of 3 female cabin crew member along with 1 male cabin crew member in each flight, and there might be possibility of 3 male cabin crew member and 1 female cabin crew member in each flight. So the number of cabin crew present depends on the number of doors present in an aircraft. Okay, so let me tell you, Airbus A319 has 1 exit on each side, Airbus A320 has 2 exits on each side, Airbus A321 also has 2 exits on each side, Airbus A380 has total 10 exits, Boeing 737 has 8 exits in total, and Boeing 777 has 10 exits, Boeing 787 has total 16 exits. So let's come back to the topic, and ये सब आपको एक रफ आइडिया और सम बेसिक इंफॉर्मेशन के लिए मैंने आपको बताया. और अकॉर्डिंग टू मी एवरी एयरलाइन हैज़ डिफरेंट safety and security policies. Okay, so there's possibility of having 2 cabin crew member on each emergency exit. Okay, but as far as I know, there is minimum 1 cabin crew in each exit. Okay, so safety and security is the first priority and service comes the next. Okay, and the again let me tell you again that number of cabin crew depends on the number of doors present in an aircraft. Okay, so ये था आपके क्वेश्चन का आंसर. So ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we have talked about almost everything. I hope you have liked the video. If you have any doubt, DM me on Instagram. My Instagram ID is in the description box. And if you have liked this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. That's all. Bye bye. Take care of you and your family. Love you all.